Here I have two regular US $1 bills, and unknown fact about United States currency is that it's made to withstand damage. I'll demonstrate with these scissors. Okay, you just give it a little shake. The dollar bill comes back to normal. Now before I tell you how to do this, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. This is a really easy trick to do. It just involves some setup. So the setup, you're gonna have to make two regular dollar bills, and you're gonna need some supplies. And the supplies are scissors, rubber cement, and baby powder. Okay, those are your supplies that you're gonna need. And two $1 bills. So you're gonna need two fairly crisp $1 bills. It helps if they have, the newer the better. If you can get consecutive serial numbers, that's also the best. At least get ones with the same number on them. Like this has 12, this has 12. Okay, so you want them to be pretty much similar. Now, to prepare the bills, you need to get your rubber cement, and on the back of the bills, get a layer of rubber cement and paint a line in the middle, just like that. Now take these and then let them dry for about like an hour, maybe 2 hours. And then let me get two more dollar bills. And then once you have those dried, they should look something like this. And they're a little tacky on the back. Do it again. Do another coat of rubber cement. So take them. And do another coat. And then just let these dry. Let them dry overnight once they have the second coat on them. It helps. Sometimes you may need to do 3 coats. Just depends where you are. So now you have bills that look like this. Okay, these have been dried. These have 2 coats on them. Now, you take the baby powder and sprinkle it on your dollars. Now the baby powder helps the bills not stick together, and it also gets kind of that shine away from your rubber cement if you have some. So you just take some baby powder, make sure you cover all the rubber cement. Like that, and then just kind of shake the excess baby powder off. And then don't do it on your don't do it on your mat. And then you're ready to go with the routine. Now you have, they're regular dollar bills, they're not cut. What I do is get just another $1 bill, and I fold it in half, and I get a pencil, and then I'll measure, because it's really important that you get this halfway. Just kind of light mark. And halfway is like between the E and the S of the reserve. So you get a halfway point, and then show your dollar bills. And then when you put them together before you cut them, because you actually cut them, so it is better to do it with fake money, but you can do it with real money, and it does work with 1s, 5s, 10s, 50s, 100s. So you put the bills together, so they're back to back, like that. Line them up perfectly, and then you can have the spectator actually hold the scissors open, and you can line it up and they'll cut it, and then the spectator feels them cutting the dollars. Or you can just take them, line up your center point, straight line. It's tough to do. Those will fall. And then you just open the bills, and the rubber cement glues them together. And that's cut and restored dollar bill. And then show them. Sometimes you have to put your thumb over George Washington's face because it doesn't line up properly if you don't cut it right in half. But from a distance, and spectators don't, they look real, and then you can just fold them up and put them away. Because now you have one bill with this serial number, 472, and then one bill with this one, 471. And so you have to just tear them apart and then tape them back together when you're done. And that's cut and restore dollar bills. Please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I appreciate it.